Keynes' arm strength is just crazy.
I mean, a Cy Young, second year.
He does. It's just effortless. Really nothing the guy can't do. Some help?
got an exciting match coming up to add on to this season's pennant race. Let's take a look at today's lineup. Let's have a look at the home team's defensive lineup. Rob Ref Snyder will lead things off. From the belt, the pitch. First pitch hacking here, and that's the first strike. Ground ball right. Onto the bag with it is Devers. Here's Derek Jeter. Strike. And pitch. Fastball called strike. Got him. Great pitch. Strikeout number 1 for Roop. Here comes Bryce Harper. He's ready now. The pitch. And he watches a called strike as this one bears in on him. This is sliced to the right side. Runner goes for second. Not in time, and he's in there with a double. Coming up to the plate is Shohei Ohtani, runner at second. First pitch to him. This is sliced to the left side. And that will get down for what should be extra bases. 1 run has scored. It's an RBI double for Ohtani. Batter coming up now is Ian Happ. From the stretch. A grounder to third. Throw to first gets him. Will end the inning. It continues to be 1-0. Here comes Anthony Rizzo. A high strike there. 0-1. On the ground to Bader. And that'll be a base hit for Rizzo. Mike Trout will get his first at-bat now. Runner at first. Now the pitch. And a first pitch strike. The pitch. And here's one popped straight up. And this one is turning into a foul ball. Strike 2 pitch on the way. Smashed high in the air in the opposite direction to the right. And a foul ball. It'll get in there low, and here comes the throw. He'll get tagged out before he gets to the base. Manny Machado will come up. Fouled back. No ball, 1 strike. This one goes by the belt. Here's the windup. Now the pitch. Called strike 3. We're through 2 innings. Jonathan Lucroy will stand in here. Here's the first pitch to him. Good pitch. 0-1. Grounded to first. And this will be a base hit as it'll apply some pressure to open the inning. Coming up to the plate now is Rob Refsnyder. He grounded out his first time. He comes back with a beautiful pitch there, and he's dominating this at-bat. Changeup thrown for a called strike. Has a look, now the pitch. He'll take a look at ball one. Here comes. There's a ground ball hit towards the middle. One there. Throw to first is not in time, and